Okay, we're at Joker's Wild, the one and only. And I've been dealt 4 aces, which means, oh my goodness, no deuce. We're going to get a bunch of wheel spins. Holy shiitake. Wow. Okay, we are off to the races. $250. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Nichols Paradise. Here we go. Whoa, 500 big monkeys. And the last one. Wow. Holy sugar. And I never think, oh, if I was playing quarters with it, I try not to. And this is just so cool because I went in, I hit big at quarters and then bowled out. I would have made these if I was playing at quarters. So this is fantastic. The only problem I have here is this too long for a short? I think it is. Holy cow. Sweet, sweet. Wow. Boom. There we go.